So putting pictures on your TikTok comment section is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how to add pictures on your TikTok's comment section. So for that, we will go to the TikTok application. And in TikTok application, you guys can select any of the video in which you want to comment the photo. I'm just going to go to my profile and comment on my video. Now here, what you have to do is you have to click on this comment section. What it will do is it will take you to this page. Now, let me tell you one. You cannot directly put the photos to the TikTok's comment section. You can put the photos to anyone's reply. So suppose I just comment, hey, I'm just going to comment, hey. Now, if I click on this reply button, now I get this option which lets me put the photo or video in someone's comment. So I'm going to click on this icon. Now I have to allow the camera. I'm just going to do this one time only. And now you guys can either live record a video or take a photo, or you guys can either upload it from your library. I'm just going to upload it from my library. Click on these photos. It will take me to the photos. I'm just going to select the photo and tap on next. Now I'm going to click on next. And now I'm going to click on post. And now if I go to profile, and now if I go back to that specific video in which I commented, if I click on this comment section, and there you guys can see this is the photo that I just added. So that's how you do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.